Welcome to Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson. I'm Jim, your sales specialist. If you're looking for a stylish, aerodynamic, shark-nosed trike, look no further than the 2023 Road Glide 3. Sending this shark down the highway is easy with the Milwaukee 8 114 engine, making 119 foot-pounds torque and backed by a 6-speed transmission. Bumps are handled by the 49mm dual-bending valve front forks out front and hand-adjustable rear emulsion suspension out back. For technology, you get LED headlights and the Boom Box GTS 6.5-inch full-color TFT touchscreen infotainment system for all your media and navigation needs. It also comes with the latest in rider safety enhancements, RDRS. Color options for this year are in chrome or black. You can get vivid black, gray haze, or bright billiard blue. If this sounds like the trike for you, come on down to Susquehanna Valley Harley-Davidson. I'm Jim. I'll get you out there.